What's the meaning of barley wine? Barley wine. Barley wine.
Barley wine. Barley wine. Barley wine is a type of beer that is typically rich and complex, with a high alcohol content often exceeding 10% ABV. Despite the name, barley wine is not actually a wine, but rather a strong ale. It is brewed from malted barley and often features a range of rich, fruity, and caramel-like flavors, as well as a pronounced hop bitterness. Barley wine can be enjoyed fresh or aged, with the latter often resulting in even more complex and mellow flavors. It is often served in smaller portions as a sipping beer due to its high alcohol content, making it a popular choice for special occasions or as a winter warmer.